Hi guys, this is gonna be my first video of 2019 and I've transformed into none other than the famous sister, James Charles. He's killing it on YouTube with his unique and creative beauty content, so I just wanted to show him some love. Let's begin. Okay, so I rarely wear white because I'm so clumsy, so I'm kind of nervous. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this face serum. It is from Vichy Minerals, and I'm just going to apply this all over to hydrate and just make my face really soft. Then I'm going to take my full coverage Jouer Foundation, and this is one of the lightest shade. I'm just squeezing a couple drops of that on my forehead, the side of the cheek. Look what just happened, guys. I knew this was gonna happen. I should have put the sweatshirt at the end, but that wouldn't have been possible. Whatever. Okay, let's move on. I'm just carefully squeezing that. See, still haven't learned my lesson. And then I'm gonna use this bun makeup sponge that I got from Yesstyle and just blending it all over. Now to shape the face, first I'm going to use concealer and I'm making huge triangles underneath my eyes, kind of closer to my mouth. And then I also applied a bit more on my nose to make it bigger. After that, I'm just going to start blending it. For contouring, I'm going to take NYX's Contour and Highlight Duo, and I'm going to carve out the cheeks. His cheeks are really prominent, and the sides of his face is more slender than mine. Also the nose, and then sharpen the jawline. Now I'm really pumped about doing the eyebrows. I know James, he has those really thick, bushy, healthy eyebrows. So I'm going to take a really dark brow pomade and just start filling them in, make them as straight as possible. I think I'm ready to do the eye makeup. So first I'm going to take my new Nars eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to apply a couple streaks of it, blend it. This is my first time using it and I really like it. So here's the Morphe eyeshadow palette that I'll be using. It's not the James Charles, it's sold out everywhere, and I did contact him and he said he was going to send it to me, but I think it's just taking a little too long. So now I'm just going to take this purple peach color and just spread it all over my eyelids. Since James loves his cut crease, I'm going to take my ABH concealer and do a quick little cut crease. After that, I'm just going to go in and set it with a light pink eyeshadow. Okay, I also wanted to add some glitter and make it glam just like Sister James. So I'm going to take this Pop Beauty Flashadows. These are like liquid glitter eyeshadows. And then apply the lighter on the front and then the darker on the outer corner. On the lower lash line, I'm going to quickly brush on the same eyeshadow I used in the beginning. After that, we're going to do the eyeliner. So I have the Illustrative eyeliner pen from M Cosmetics. There is a felt tip and a brush tip. This one is the felt tip one. And I'm going to make a beautiful big wing. I feel like I still don't see like James Charles eyes yet, so I'm going to darken the cut crease. I usually wouldn't do this for my everyday look, but since it's a transformation, I'm going to make it really dark. After that, I'm also going to line some dark eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Okay, since I have that dark shadow on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and elongate my nostrils just by adding a shadow on the edges. I think that helps a lot. Now we're going to move on to the eyelashes. So I have these House of Lashes mink faux mink lashes, and I'm going to apply some glue and just press it on. Once the lashes are on, the eyes are looking so much more like him. I just need to finish off with mascara on my lower lashes. After that, let's put on some freckles, guys. I love when he has freckles, when he does the freckles on his nose. For the face, I also want to follow up with a powder contour because I want the shape of the face to really come out. I'm also going to contour the little cleft chin. Then we're going to move on to the lips. So I'm taking this Nude Urban Decay lip liner and making the upper lip a bit smaller than mine, bottom lip really full. The makeup is almost through, but we can't forget the highlight, guys. We need that shiny, blinding highlight on the cheekbones, nose, forehead. Also for the lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip gloss currently, which is from M Cosmetics. And now that it's looking nice and shiny, let's do the hair. Gonna release my ponytail, and this is probably what James would look like with my hairstyle. Okay, so I have my wig cap right here. It's a nude one. Just gonna tuck all of my hair neatly inside. You guys know the drill. And here's the wig I'll be using. This is from my Zayn Malik transformation, so I haven't used it since then. So I'm going to put it on. Hopefully it's very close to James' hair. Let's find out. Yes, I feel like this is really close. The color, the hairstyle, it's not going to get better than this. So I'm just going to take my eyeliner pencil, draw some hair on the side, and just try to copy his hairline. After that, I guess I'm basically done with this transformation. So that is my James Charles makeup transformation. Let me know if you guys were sister shook or sister sad in the comments below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Whoa. How'd you do it?
I don't know.
What the? I don't know how you pull it off. Delicious. In the bag you go.